In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer contacts from one Gmail account to another easily. This process is quite straightforward and shouldn't take more than a few minutes of your time, allowing you to have your contacts organized and up to date across all your email accounts. To start, we need to export the contacts from your old Gmail account. Open your browser and navigate to Google Contacts. Make sure you're logged in with the Gmail account from which you want to transfer contacts. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and there you'll find the export option. Click on it and you'll be provided with choices for exporting. If you wish to export all contacts, simply select the contacts option. However, if you'd like to transfer only specific groups, you can choose a particular label instead. Be sure to select the Google CSV format option, as this is both universal and ideal for Gmail imports. Once you've set these parameters, click Export. A file will be generated and saved to your computer. Remember where it's saved, as we'll need that file in just a moment. Next up, we need to import these contacts into your new Gmail account. Log out of your old Gmail account and log into your new one. Once signed in, open Google Contacts again. Just like before, glance at the left sidebar where you'll now select the import option. You'll then be prompted to select File. Click this, browse your computer, and locate the CSV file you saved a moment ago. Once you've selected the correct file, click Import. After hitting Import, your old contacts should now appear within your new Gmail account almost instantaneously. You might want to take a moment to double check that all important contacts have successfully transferred over and organize them if necessary. You should see all of your contacts listed, ready for use. This method ensures that no valuable information is left behind and all your communications remain intact. If you followed these steps correctly, you should now have a seamless contact list within your new Gmail account set and ready to go. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more easy to follow tutorials. As always, feel free to reach out with any questions or thoughts in the comments below. Have a great day and happy emailing.